United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 33, Contiguous Zone. 1. In a zone contiguous to its territorial sea, described as the contiguous zone, the coastal state may exercise the control necessary to a. Prevent infringement of its customs, fiscal, immigration, or sanitary laws and regulations within its territory, or territorial sea, b. Punish infringement of the above laws and regulations committed within its territory, or territorial sea. 2. The contiguous zone may not extend beyond 24 nautical miles from the baselines from which the breadth of the territorial sea is measured.